Alright guys, today we're going to remove this Range Rover side unit, but put in mind guys, this procedure applies to when you're replacing just the bulbs. So it's the same procedure. Replacing the bulbs is the same procedure of replacing the head side unit. So first of all, we have to remove a plastic screw thing. It looks like a nut, but it's a plastic one which has a long tail right there. So this is the thing, we are going to unscrew it and anti-clockwise. So once we do that guys, it's the one which is holding on this side light. It has like three places. There are two sides connectors, just connects, which once you pull it out it comes out. So I'll show you guys once this side unit comes out, and then you'll be able to see. Also guys, when you're doing this procedure, I'm going to show you how to do it on the passenger side, because this is the driver side. This is the easiest part, how to pull it out. The other side, I'm going to show you just the procedure of what you need to do so that you don't have problems when you're pulling it out. So it makes it easy for you to pull out and easy for you to install it. So also what to put in mind too is when you're putting it back guys, there's an alignment. I'm just going to show you in a moment. Yeah, this thing is out. So this is the screw guys which holds the light to the car, and that's the only one. The others are just guardrails which guards it. So we pull our light out, and then what's remaining now holding our light is just this. So this is the thing I was talking about. This is where the screw goes through. Make sure when you're putting it back guys, it has to go in between so that it doesn't miss it out and then lock on alignment. Okay, let's move out our bulbs. For those who are just doing the bulbs, this is just what you do. You just change your bulb and then you just put it back. But for me today guys, I'm just replacing the whole side unit. So I'm going to take out the three bulbs, because these are the only bulbs which are here. There are three, so I'm going to take them all out, and then I'm going to install a new unit. So once those are out guys, I'm just going to show you maybe the second procedure of how to do on the other side, which is the passenger side. So guys, here we are. So on the passenger side, we have this air intake thing. So we have to remove it from here, disconnect that, take out this whole thing here, and then take out the air filter inside, take out the nail down which goes on the wall. So you see down there, that's where we have access to that plastic thing. So without it guys, it'll be difficult for you to put your hand through there. So you have to take the whole plastic thing out. So guys, I've just put it back in. So let's just test it out. So this is an important step. Once you fix something, you have to make sure you test it out. You see if it works or it doesn't work, and then you do the necessary action before guys you drive away, and then you figure out later on maybe one of your bulbs didn't sit well, maybe that's why it's not working. Now I'm just doing the blinkers. Yeah, so this light is working. The down one I think should be working too, but I don't know, maybe I think one of my bulbs is not working. That means I have to fix that one. Okay, let's do the left side. As you can see, left side guys, so the bulb on the left side is working, and this one now on the side too is working, and so my whole unit is just sitting very well on that position. So guys, I think that's just a short way. I hope this video helps you guys.